Gregorian chant. It is a type of Western plain chant, also known as plain song. So that was developed during the 9th and 10th centuries. The lyrics of Gregorian chant written in the Latin language.
Also case of verse.
So yung tinatawag ng isang type of music na monophonic, it means it has only one melodic line. Isang melismatic matter. Yung mga anak, Okay. So, ilan sa mga kilalang tao during the medieval period when it comes to music ay ito nga si Adam de la Haye. Isang composer siya. Isang French composer, French medieval poet and musician. Magtaas ka ng kamay pagka may gustong, ma'am kayo ng ma'am ba kayo? Sino yun?
Ako, ma'am. Nawala daw po si Lance.
Ang hina ang hina.
Ma'am, pa-accept daw po si Lance.
Sige. Tuloy. So, yan yun. Si Adam de la Haye o de la Haye.
It may look like I just got out of the shower and my hair's still a bit damp, but that's only an illusion, a ruse from the master trickster Charles.
Ano ba yan?
What this actually is grease. I've got a thick layer of gamer gunk on me right now. I'm real filthy, a real dirty boy. It's been almost 3 days since my last shower, and today I'm gonna be smelling Ethan Klein's asshole. It's gonna be hard to know what smells worse, his butthole or me. So it'll be a really nice clash of aromas. And I'm sure all of you know by now that
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.